Nice.
Okay, righto. Ed's in the shed. Got some parts for him. Let's go find him.
That sounds like Mike. I hope he's here with those parts that I need.
Oh, hello, Ed. Got some parts for you. Grab a sack truck.
Dickhead.
I don't even sound like Mike, bro.
HoonTV!
That's got Andrew's address on it, see? Look, ready?
Oh,
yeah. And the sack truck full of GDR parts. Twisted my arm. Yeah, thank you. So yeah, last time when this shed was actually full of junk and stuff like that, Andrew, Mr. OCD here, look at this.
I cleaned up the cobwebs.
GDR racing stripes on the floor. The floor, it's a boy. Probably offend somebody by saying that there.
It's a they.
It's a beer.
Really?
What do you associate as?
It's a thing.
I associate as beer. I've never had one of these. Yeah, so the spider webs are gone.
And this is what I found.
The cars, yeah.
Gave it a sweep.
Oh look, yeah, it's GDR. Somebody put gaff tape all over the headlights. I don't want to be the person getting all the residue off there.
That's the job for you.
Yeah, nice. I might be able to get some nice headlights off Wish.
Yeah. A couple of those LED torches, I reckon.
Yeah. Now, we did post up, they're over there hidden away at the moment, but they are actually 18 by 10 LMGT.
LMGT1.
GT1s. Oh, yeah,
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Shows how much I know about GDRs.
Off the 400R.
That's a R32, isn't it? And what have you decided to do with those wheels?
They're going to be sold as is for those that want to restore them, or I have all the restoration parts. If they don't sell, they will be restored.
And my thoughts are, personally, is that like, not that I know the guy, but I know people that know him, but like your Adam LZs, TJ Hunts, American peoples, you big YouTubers that do GDRs and stuff like that. We're talking to you, because you guys are the guys that have got the cash for cool stuff like this, and we're not just saying that because you got the cash, but they are super rare wheels. Some people don't agree, but anyway.
And they're all original.
Yeah, they're original, they're not restored, so there's nothing hidden, no damage, anything like that. It's just that Andrew has decided to take this puppy out and replace it with one that doesn't need a clutch. We have had some thoughts about some other wheel options for this car, but there's lots of things to do, lots of repairs and lots of changes and updates. And what the hell is that? There's a blow-off valve from a Model T Ford.
It is a blow-off valve.
Soft and hard.
Yeah.
They really were just into it back then, weren't
It's
they?
a sexual blow-off valve.
This is like a time capsule, this car now. This is like all the cool shit that was on a GDR. Beep. 10 plus years ago.
Yeah.
But all the new stuff, well, not all of it, because some of it's still coming, is over here.
Let's have a look what we got.
You know what sucks though, is that these are like hopefully a lot more entertaining than me working on the car in the shed by myself. So I'll try to be funny, but I'm not really. Yay, the world's most exciting YouTube video about R32 GDRs. It's in a window trim. The back of an R32 GDR. That's pretty cool though, it is original.
All original, brand new, not broken.
NOS parts, mate, NOS.
NOS.
Alright, yep, cool, next. I don't know what they are. Something, things. Ray's, belongs to some dude called Ray. I'm gonna put them over here with some, these are boat trailer wheels. LM boat trailer GT wheels. Okay, they can go there. No, I can't do it hard enough with one hand.
That's what she said.
Either this is really... You
idiot. Righto. Can't do it hard enough with one hand.
Yep.
Try both.
That is... It's another packet.
It's a bag in a bag.
Yeah, hey.
It's a bag in a bag in a bag. Ooh.
Hey!
Go fast bits.
Alright, that is the...
This is your quiz. What is it?
Oh, they're half moon seals.
Yep.
PRP, that's a M6 bolt.
Uh-huh.
I'm very impressed with that. Oh, there's one over there as well.
spot.
Oh, okay, so the bag's fallen open, that's why. Look, there's heaps of them. It's a dress-up kit.
Well, technically it's to replace the crappy rubbers on the rocker covers.
Oh yeah, cool. Yep. Rocker cover
and then
rubber
the
kit.
rubber cover seals as well. Let the adults play.
Ooh, Nismo. Oh, it's a windscreen washer bottle.
It is, but it's
There
a
you go.
single motor one. Fancy N1.
Here's that bag of styrofoam you ordered. Yeah.
Nom nom.
Yeah.
Hungry?
What's in the box? So what's the first thing we're going to do to the car?
We're going to start with the fuel system.
Yep.
That needs a massive overhaul because it doesn't run right now. This
There's more plastic.
is in lieu of destroying a factory computer.
Oh yeah, cool.
To put an ECU housing for the computer we have coming.
Should we tell people what the ECU is?
Yes, it is a Link.
A link.
Will be a Link G4X.
How many links in that chain? All right.
As many as you need.
That's cool.
But that's really, so I didn't have to destroy the factory one.
He's like, I don't even remember what I've ordered.
It's been a few weeks.
Fuel sender unit lockdown thingy ring.
Yeah.
Yep. I know that because I used to work for Ford and that looks very similar to an EA Falcon one. All
Thanks,
right,
Greg, and all the boys at GK Tech. What's your guess?
It is a master cylinder stopper.
It is.
Oh,
Yeah.
see?
You're on a roll.
I could be on a game show for GDR parts.
You must have read all the notes about today's episode.
Option A, brake. No, I can tell because it's got the little adjuster over there.
right.
So, wow, that's bloody light.
It's awesome, eh?
Jump cuts. Another missing box.
Bit solid. Do you know what that is?
That's a remain seal kit.
It is. Smell that.
Can everyone at home smell that?
Only
Does
if
it
they're
smell
watching
like?
it on a smell-o-vision.
Doesn't smell like a GDR. No. It should smell like valve stem seals. It's like a barrow without valve timing.
Yeah, it's like a barrel without having to drive a Ford. Oh, okay, didn't cut too deeply.
Oh yeah. Ooh,
Exciting
cool.
stuff.
And that's like an aftermarket one as well, not a genuine one. It's a GK Tech one.
That's really good.
That's very cool. I mean, it looks pretty much bang on original. We're going to actually get some Go Fast parts out now. Restoration parts.
Oh, there we go. Now we're talking.
GK Tech. G'day, Greg.
Yes. Hello, Greg.
YouTube.
Tighten both of them down, then torque to the specs shown on the screen. Bam! Adjustable camber for your R32. Head over and give us a follow on the old YouTube.
Thank you for your hospitality.
All right.
So,
It's an impressive looking box.
it is. Get rid of the non-impressive looking box. So,
I just did a mic drop with that box.
if I do this for the Home Shopping Network,
It's a piece of foam.
Ta-da!
radio, lower control arms for the rear.
Nice.
All home jointed. Beautiful.
Nice.
It's going to be very, very
And I'll
nice.
bet there's two of them.
Hopefully another one.
Yay! Look.
And a whole bunch
Ooh,
of
and
rubber
all the
seals.
rubbers for the home joints. That's nice. That's very good.
Yep,
Stop you getting crap in there when you take it full driving.
that's right.
Yeah.
When we go rallying, it's a heavy one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, geez, his guts have dropped out all over the floor. Oh, this is tragic for the young fella.
Some more GK Tech goodness. Yeah. Excellent.
Rex.
Sounds about right.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, sorry WRX owners. This is a critical.
That's a critical. Okay. Step one. What be this?
Okay, that is a lower control. No, that's a radius arm.
Yeah.
Is it?
Radius rod for the front, yep.
Yep. Nice. This one is a rear cumber. It's a YouTube.
Traction rods for the rear, complete with rubber seals. Once again, keeping all the grit and grime out of the home joint. That's really cool. So it's a bump steer kit
Oh yeah, nice.
for changing the angle on the front lower control arm for bump steer.
Cool. What are they? Rear arms?
Yeah, so rear toe arms for the
Oh yeah, yep.
for the Hikers Delete.
What is Hikers for people that don't know?
What is Hikers? It's a thing that most Nissan owners remove from their car. It's forward steering, so
Yeah.
they had a rear steering rack.
And if that's Hikers toe, then what are these ones?
So Hikers Delete bar, so it goes across in the place of the Hikers rack.
Nice. What's this one that says S13?
That's the weld-in anti-squat kit.
Oh, cool.
So we're going to weld this onto the forward mounting point of the rear lower control arm,
Yep.
and it's going to change the angle on the lower control arm to be a flatter angle compared to stock.
Nice.
What are they?
They are things.
Front, upper control arms.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. They're just bolted together like
So
that.
the
to
beauty
packaging.
of, no, they stay like this. This is how they sit in the car. So the
Oh,
beauty of this kit over the factory kits and over the kit that I have in the car right now is these are allowed to twist.
Ah, cool.
Because the actual arc that the suspension goes through as it compresses with the upper control arm needs to twist,
Yep.
and the factory stuff doesn't.
Yeah. Okay. It just relies on rubbers. Yeah. So this is an aftermarket one in here, but it's a factory style.
It is. So these are the upper camber arms. These things are a work of art.
Nice.
Love it.
Gaff tape.
Gav tape.
Gav tape. More PRP stuff. Some injectorinos.
Nice.
2200cc.
Beautiful.
Works. Or Dietz works, or how you pronounce it. Now, truth be told, these are actually old injectors out of my drag car, because yours is only going to make a cute 1,000 horsepower, so yeah.
It will. It's all right, I'll wait for you at the end of the track.
Isn't it nice though, they kept the original box?
Coil pack cover kit, so adapting the car to run R35 GTR coil packs. So beautiful PRP billet coil pack.
Pretty much exactly the same as mine, but
Yeah.
mine goes on a Barra. And mine's blue on it, and it has sponsor logos on it.
Oh, beautiful.
So yeah.
Yeah.
So no, yeah, very cool. And the genuine
These are
Hitachi.
genuine coil packs.
Yep.
So that's great. So back 10 plus years ago, spark was always an issue with the cars, and apparently these days, R35 GTR coils are the way to go.
Zabom
And they run up
also,
to horsepower ridiculous.
nice PRP boots that they've got now for them.
Yeah, so bolt up kit, very excited to fit that. Okay, this bad boy.
Ah, yes, that is the crank trigger kit.
Yep, so it's going to allow us to have decent ignition timing without any of the errors that you normally get with the cam angle sensor and belt stretch and slap and all the other good stuff that happens.
And this bad boy here is the alternator kit, so you can LS the world.
LS the world. Well, I would have got a Barra one, but apparently all the AU Falcon owners have bought them, so.
No, the AU Falcon owners love the single overhead. Intech the world. Yeah.
Intech the world.
Intech the world. God. Yeah.
This is an adapter loom.
Yep. I also have one of them's
Very good.
for my coils.
This is
And
some
some stickerinos.
GK Tech
Big
stickers.
thanks to Belate
PRP. Thanks, guys. Very excited to fill this up.
Is that a race car?
It is.
A race car!
Looks like a vintage car to me.
Oh, it's historic according to the registration.
Bye. Fist bump. Bye.
Bye.